Lubrizol is an organization that covers many industries. We are in transportation and lubricants that we use in your vehicle or machinery. We are in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals. We are in specialty chemicals. So we make CPVC pipes. So we are in a lot of your everyday items that you may touch and wear. Globally, currently, we are managing around 8,000 projects across our 45 sites and offices. We have a lot of capital projects. A lot of them are geared towards maintenance and maintaining our facilities, health and safety type projects. But we do have a lot of growth projects as well in our AP region. We had a lot of issues in terms of understanding exactly how the project capital process was being run and why our projects were at risk and in trouble. We chose Cora ultimately because of the ease of the platform and the partnership that we saw that we could have with Cora. Workflow management for us is in terms of what step are you in your project process, what kind of funding requests are you needing on your project, and who are the reviewers tied to that. So having that workflow configured in Cora in terms of the peer review process, the operational technical reviews that needed to happen, and then ultimately approval for that funding request is what we've built in Cora. We've also integrated pulling in data from SAP for our project budget, actuals, and commitments, and that is an enabler for the project teams to be able to do their monthly project forecasting going forward. And all that's been configured and built in the tool. Right away, what has been our win for us is having the ability to see all 8,000 projects in one place, and we have clarity in terms of how we are spending on these projects. We have clarity on the forecast for these projects, and we understand who is assigned and what resources are being used on the project execution. So that enables our executive leadership team and our site, even at the site level, for better decision making, right? And being able to understand where are the ping points, where are the resources needing to be assigned, deployed in order to support a facility in executing on their projects. The time that it would take me as a PMO manager to gather information from all these multiple sites to put it into a report to share has been significantly cut. Literally, we are in a spot right now where I can open up the tool and within 2 minutes, something that would take me a day or two to pull together, within 2 minutes, I can get that same information from Cora. So in terms of the metric that we're currently able to track, it is time, right? The time that we used to spend in trying to do all this information gathering has been significantly cut. Cora has been a great partner for us in terms of this whole journey of understanding what the needs are of Lubrizol as an organization, understanding what the configuration needed to be. And so there's always that continuous improvement loop and feedback loop that we have to give. We give that to Cora, and they're right on board with making those changes in a timely manner so that we can really help support the project managers as they're executing on projects. And so that partnership has been really crucial in this implementation process and continues to be as we now have adopted the tool and we're in it daily and utilizing it. So it's been great.